All right, let me show you the outside. So this is where the propane is. That's used primarily for cooking. It also does run the internal heater that's usually not needed unless it's really cold out. Here is your shore water. There's a hose, a regular water hose that you hook into there when you're plugging in at an RV site. And then this is your shore power. So that's when you're plugging into power. In order to switch on to shore power, so when you're at an RV site, what you do is you go in here, you switch the battery off, and then there's an inverter switch that's right here on the far left of the control panel. You flip that inverter switch, and then you plug in. And then finally, here is your waste. You actually do not need to use this one. The way you use the waste, way you dump the waste is using this hose. It has a standard connector that you'll find at any RV site or truck stop dumps, things like that. There's two handles. There's this black one, that's your number 1 and number 2. And then there's this gray one, which is from the sink in the shower. And the way you do it is you pull the hose out, you put it in the standard waste dump. You pull the black hose to open it. You pull the gray one, open that, you'll hear it starting to drain. And then there's a pump right here, pump button. You'll need to turn the engine on, and that'll get the power going. And then you press this red button, and it'll go nya, 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 nya. And then the last thing, this right here, is if you need to fill the water for being off the grid. There's a 40-gallon tank, and that can work for a handful of showers and as much water as you'll need for your sink. And that's the basics of how to use it.